Hello students, hope you all are fine and doing your work regularly. Till now we have learned to multiply and divide large numbers. There are various situations in our daily life where we need to do multiplication and division. Let us study some examples. My first example is Anil runs 3525 meters daily in the morning. How many meters will he run in 1 year? Convert your answer into kilometers. I hope you have understood the statement. Students, whenever you read the statement, you should be able to identify. You are to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. From this statement, it is clear that Anil has run this much distance in 1 day, and we are to find the meters that he will run in 1 year. 1 year means 365 days. For more days, the distance covered will be more. That is, we will have to do the multiplication here. So, we will write the distance ran in 1 day is equal to 3525 meters. Now, distance ran in 365 days. We will do the multiplication. Clear? Now, 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10 and 2 12. 5 fives are 25 and 1 26. 5 threes are 15 and 2 17. Then for tens place, first of all put 0 in ones place. 6 fives are 30. 6 twos are 12 and 3 15. 6 fives are 30 and 1 31. 6 threes are 18 and 3 21. Now for hundreds place, put 2 zeros here. 3 fives are 15. 3 twos are 6 and 1 7. 3 fives are 15. 3 threes are 9 and 1 10. Now add all these. 5 2 6 again 6. 5 to 7 and 1 8, then 2 and then 1. So the distance ran in 1 year is equal to 12,86,625 meters. We are to convert this distance in kilometers now. 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. Do you all know this? Now we are to make 12,86,625 meters. We are to convert this much distance into kilometer. As meters are less than kilometer, so for converting small unit into big, we have to do the division, and it will become 1286 kilometers and 625 meters. I hope the statement is clear to all of you. Now your homework is do question number 1 and 2 of worksheet 4. I am showing you the statements of this question. You will solve only question number 1 and 2 for today. Thank you.